morning students. Now I am going to explain meter bridge. Meter bridge is the simplest form of Wheatstone bridge. It is the simplest form of Wheatstone bridge. Here is the meter bridge shown in this figure. And this meter bridge is specially designed to measure the unknown resistance as well as to compare the resistance to resistances. The meter bridge is most sensitive when the null point is somewhere taken in middle of the wire AB. At that time this meter bridge will be most sensitive. Otherwise we will require some correction in the result, and that correction is known as end correction or end resistance. The principle of this meter bridge is based on the balanced Wheatstone bridge, that is P by Q is equal to R by X, and the method used to determine the resistance null point, the point on the wire, null point on the wire is null deflection, that is galvanometer shows zero deflection. It will be possible when potential at C and D will be zero. Now come to this arrangement meter bridge. It consists a wire, thick wire AB of 1 meter length. In parallel to this wire there is a scale, meter scale provided, meter scale. This is the metallic strip whose resistance is treated as zero, and there are two gaps. This is left gap and this is the right gap. Across the wire, thick wire, we have to connect the source of electricity, that is cell or battery is connected here, and from the positive terminal we are connected at A. From this end unknown resistance is a variable resistance, and that is resistance box is connected in the left gap, and in the right gap the resistance, the wire or resistor whose resistance is to be determined is connected. From this point a galvanometer with the help of a jockey is the device to make temporary connection on the circuit, is connected here. Let the experiment, this key is closed. Now this key is taken to be closed. What will happen? Current will start flowing through this circuit. The current I will start flowing through this circuit, and so we have to make an equivalent circuit here. So how equivalent circuit you will draw? I am going to explain that thing. Here is the point A and here is the point B, and here is point D. This point I have taken at the below side, and here is the point C. You can see between A and C there is a resistance box RB. RB is resistance box, and whose resistance you can take out from it, and between C and B you can see here C, point C, and here is the point B. In between C and B, as the strip has no resistance, so X is the resistor used between this, which is unknown, whose value is to be determined. Now between A and D a wire of length L is connected, whose resistance is taken as P, and between D and B a wire of resistance Q is connected, and between C and D there is a galvanometer connected with the help of a jockey here, and between A and this B a cell is connected with the help of a key K. Here plus minus EMF is E current is coming here I1, I, and here it is I. So now it will be divided here. Now it will be divided at this point, it will be divided, and we will divide it. So the resistance is given, no need to draw here Ig, current is 0, here at previous I1 it is I2, and here it is I minus Ig, and here we can write I2 plus Ig. But Ig is 0 as it works on the balancing condition, so Ig is always 0, and we have to search with the help of this jockey on placing the wire A from side A. You will see deflection in the galvanometer and go on searching the point where the deflection in the galvanometer becomes D. Let this point D is the point where deflection becomes 0, and so from A to D you have to measure the length on the scale. Let it is L, and then it is of 1 meter, so 100 minus L will be between D and B. So what will be the resistance of this wire AD? So resistance of this wire AD is here written P, and P is equal to, as formula from the formula of resistance, rho L by A. So rho is the resistivity of this wire, and here A is the area of cross section, L is this length. And similarly we can write the resistance, value of resistance Q is equal to rho by A into 100 minus L. Using formula, this is the equivalent circuit, so we are using here, using formula, using P by Q is equal to R by X. So P will have rho by A into L divided by rho by A into 100 minus L is equal to R by X. R is the value taken out from you. If you are not getting the balance point on this AB, then you have to increase or decrease the resistance from the resistance box. You have to increase the resistance R, and you have to get the balance point in between this, and it will be better for the sensitivity of this meter bridge. The balance point is searched in the middle of the wire, 45 to 55 centimeter. So we have substituted the value of this, and we will get here what we will get here. Rho by A and rho by A will get cancelled, and you will get L by 100 minus L is equal to R by X. So X is the unknown resistance, so you will get 100 minus L divided by L into R. This will be the formula. So on calculating the balance point, we have here balance point D, and then calculating the length from A to D only, and what resistors are taken, resistance are taken out from the resistance box. The substituting these two value, you will get the unknown resistance of the value of unknown resistance used in this circuit. Now how to compare? Second use of this is comparison of resistances. We can compare the resistances. How we will compare? As I have explained how to calculate X, so let the first resistance is taken to be X1, and its value is now calculated by this. Now change the value, change the resistor here. First you have done from X1, now you do it, repeated the experiment with X2, and in the similar way you will get X2 is equal to 100 minus L2 by L2 into R. R may be different, here R2, you may take here R2, but it should be same. Now we have the value of x1 and x2, so we can compare x1 by x2, and you will get, after solving, you will get the value of the you will be able to compare the resistances given. So this is all about the meter bridge, and the meter bridge is very useful. It is also in your experiment.